Hey everyone, Tech Jeof here, back with the exciting tech news and reviews. This is my review of the new Samsung Galaxy Buds 2, let's talk about it. Now for some background, Samsung has 3 different lines of wireless earbuds. From last year, there is the $149 Galaxy Buds, there's the $179 Galaxy Buds Live, and then the top of the line of Samsung TWS is the $199 Galaxy Buds Pro. So for today, we're looking at the second generation of the non-Pro, non-bean shaped entry-level Galaxy Buds 2. So, let's talk about first the design. Compared to previous model, you're getting some quality of life improvements, including the fact that they're 15% smaller and 20% lighter than the original Galaxy Buds. This is a very welcome improvement. It has similar in-ear design with extra sizes of rubber buds inside the box. And for my personal preference, I really don't like the in-ear type of TWS, because for me when I'm using it for a long period of time I feel pain in my ear which I don't really like. But again guys, it depends on your personal preference. There is one sensor here for play or pause once you remove the buds in your ear. Also the charging port, and at behind here is the dual microphone for active noise cancellation. The box is also very lightweight, easy to carry, and convenient to put to your pocket. There's also indicator light here and support USB Type-C fast charging technology, and it also support wireless charging. There isn't even a ton of exposed surface area when it's in your ear, but there's enough to make access and the touch controls easy. The size and shape makes for an extremely comfortable pair of earbuds. They're ergonomic and designed for long listening sessions. The downside to the smaller size is there's really no way to adjust them in your ear without accidentally triggering the area mentioned touch controls. You also get IPX2 water resistance here, which means they can take a little sweat or very light drizzle, but you don't really want to get them too wet. The sound profile is solid, thanks to Samsung's AKG. It's not groundbreaking or special, but it's what you'd expect from a pair of $149 buds. You also get active noise cancellation here for that price, and that works well too. Again, it's not the best in the business, but I wouldn't expect that for the price. If you want better sound, better noise cancellation, or extra features like 360 audio, you can always opt for the more expensive Galaxy Buds Pro, or AirPods Pro, or the Huawei-free Buds Pro. But I think for most Samsung buyers, the quality of the Buds 2 will work out nicely. It should also be said that you get wireless charging here as well, which when paired with the active noise cancellation makes these a solid option when compared to other entry-level headphones. The battery here is good for up to 5 hours with noise cancellation on, and 7.5 hours with noise cancellation off, and the case is good for an additional 15 hours of power. So, with that all features, if you're looking for a pair of solid unassuming wireless headphones that are comfortable and won't break the bank on your Samsung smartphone or other Android device, the Galaxy Buds 2 are definitely a safe bet. Let me know what headphones you're using these days. So, guys, what do you think of this new Samsung Galaxy Buds 2? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. And if you somehow like what you see here, subscribe to the channel. It's absolutely great reward for me. Thanks for watching. And as always, I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.